Welcome to our new listing at 8 Harris Street, Unit 422, right here in the heart of Cambridge. If you've been looking for a stylish and affordable condo to call home, this one checks all the boxes. This spacious unit features 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1 parking spot, and a locker for extra storage. Whether you are a first-time home buyer or looking to downsize, this unit is perfect for comfortable and convenient living. Listed at just 439,999, your minimum down payment would be about 22,000. That brings your total mortgage to around 435,555, including default insurance of 17,556 with an interest rate of 3.99%, 5 years fixed with 30 years amortization if you are a first-time home buyer. Your monthly expenses around 3,103 all in. That includes your mortgage, property taxes at $200 per month, and maintenance fees of $734 a month, which cover water, heat, building insurance, and common elements. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or have any questions about this amazing opportunity, give me a call at 647-537-7653 or email me at lloyd@teamcasa.ca. Let's get you one step closer to turning this condo into your new home.